All right, I couldn't catch up to it, so might have to just drop down a ridge in front of it. Well, I'm headed up the road. Just talked to a guy that hunts around us a good bit. That has a good pack of hounds. They treat a lot of bear, but anyway, I'm not exactly sure. I haven't got the whole information yet, but he got a hold of me and said a bear around 8 o'clock or so last night crossed one of these little roads up through here. So we're gonna go up here. We had a little bit of rain, and it's also like 50 some degrees this morning, so I don't think the dogs will be able to take it out of here, but we're just gonna go see what they think. Just give it a try, and if that don't pan out, then we're gonna go start hitting some thickets. Probably get soaking wet because of that rain last night. Go see if we can get us a bear going today. Well, I totally forgot about the camera all morning, but basically we got the dogs to go on that track, and they struggled with it for a while. Actually got up there and finally got it jumped, and they're swinging around the mountain. Corey and Mr. Jeff has got some dogs packed in with it now, so they're swinging around the mountain, and we'll see what happens. A lot of my dogs are probably fall out of the race. I've been hunting them a good bit this week, and I fully expect some of them young dogs to pass them and hopefully catch the bear, so we'll see what happens. Side of the mountain. These dogs are headed, they was almost at the top when I started around, so I'm assuming they went ahead and crossed it. So I'll get around here, try to get them picked back up and see, kind of see what they're doing, where they're going, go from there. Well, I'm up here. Dog's caught this bear right here in the creek, and he's pulling up the ridge. I didn't get here quite past time enough, so get up here, try to get in with him. Hey, Corey.
Go ahead.
All right, I couldn't catch up to it, so might have to just drop down a ridge in front of it.
All right.
All right, I'm headed on. These dogs kind of left me. I couldn't catch up with them, but now they're showing stop, so I'm gonna head on in there, and hopefully it'll be up a tree, but we'll see. This bad boy's steep, but I'm getting there. Made up to old logging. I'll be able to make bear town now. I've still got a good ways to go. At least I can make some time now. So get in here. It is a lot of thick stuff in here, so still a little. Basically, I'm still wondering if they are truly treed or just got to stop there, but we'll find out. Well, but sure don't feel like December. Some rolling sweat. Hot day today. Feels more like August or September. But anyway, I'm about 100 yards from these dogs. They are treed. I hear Scruff in there with them now. Can't see them yet, but anyway, I'll be in there in a second. I'm in here at them all day, so I'll get them tied back. These dogs back. Want to come out? Well, we got all the dogs, got them back in the truck. Heading out of here, so we're gonna call her quits for the rest of the day. It was a good run. Nice bear. And, we didn't have no shooter with us today, so we let him go, which is a good thing. So anyway, if y'all want to see more, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.